me, Naturally TC, coming at you with this lock twist video. I'm showing you my apple cider vinegar because I use it on some of my clients. Now you see how his edges have that like buildup. That buildup is simply from sweat. And I'm trying to record with one hand and put that on there. I did not cut his hair, so I didn't do that. Anyway, but if you go through with the apple cider vinegar, it really works to cleanse the scalp, get off that excess buildup, whether it's from products or, like I said, from sweat. Especially men or boys, they're gonna sweat, you know what I mean? And it builds up on the scalp, and some people have even an excess of buildup. And it's nothing that, that they can do, or it's nothing that they're doing wrong. Their body just produces extra sweat, so it gets caked up on the scalp, and that's just what it does. So look, so this is what I'm doing right here. I am taking the strands of hair, like when the locks start to bud, they get frizzy, and then you have those like bulks in the lock. So what I'm doing is taking the hair and I'm twisting it around the lock. If you've watched any of my earlier videos, I used to actually just cut them off, okay? Like, I don't know why these locks are fuzzy. I'm not a loctician, but a lot of my clients that I do have, that God has blessed me with, they wear locks. So I've been kind of forced into learning how to care for them. So instead of just cutting off those loose strands, you'll see right here, I am twisting the hair, those loose strands around the lock, just twisting them back in so that they can find a home inside the lock instead of cutting them off. There is another technique called lock, what's that girl called it? Lock something. It's not lock making. It was like lock. It's a technique where it's like it's not palm rolling with two hands. It's like with one hand, and they like roll that lock around in that one hand. I have tried it and nothing happened. Okay, so that is my new training that I'm putting myself through, is learning how to do that. I have to learn how to do that because it looks so cool when they do it, first of all. Second of all, the lock really tightens up. And I'm like, how are you getting your one hand to tighten up this? I don't know. But when I figure it out, y'all know I'm making a video. So enjoy the rest of this video. It's really quick. I just wanted to show y'all how I tie those loose hairs around the lock. So make sure you're following me on Instagram and Facebook, and I'll be back at you with another video in a couple of days. Thank you for watching.